Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle in addition of today's newspaper on Friday, December the 1st, 2023. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars Sudoku and the 4 stars Sudoku. Two puzzles are left. This one, the jigsaw Sudoku. In Dutch, they call it cipher block with 4 stars. And you are interested in this one, the binary puzzle number 7545. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 14 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. Between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. Between the ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. 4 O's, 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Then let me see, between the O's comes in 1. Now we have here 1, 2, 3 ones. If we place number 4 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Well. Let me think. Still having here 3 ones. If I place number 4 there, then we still have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. This cannot be. Need to wait here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the 1s comes an O. Between the O's comes in 1. And we have here 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1. Here 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Need to compare. Do we have here double 1? No. Do we have here double 1 here? No. Well, here maybe. No, it's not the same. Okay, this cannot be. This can be. How about here? Double 1 here. Here we have a double 1. 10. No, it's not the same. How about the last column? Double 1 here. Here we have a double 1. Oh. Not the same. Not the same. So what's happening now? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Well. Overlook this double O. Here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. And 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Overlooked. 4 minutes. Well. More than I expected. But we solve it again, and I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.